Good morning, everyone. So, I think yesterday, right, we saw few rules, right? While writing override methods, so what are the rules we need to follow? Okay, as part of that, as the yesterday we have discussed few rules. Okay, today we will see other more things, guys. Okay, so until now, do you have any questions, guys, on overriding?
No question.
Hello,
No, sir.
no questions, right? Yeah. So now, final keyword. We can use final keyword, okay, at a variable level, right? At variable level and method level, and also we can use at class level, right? No. So now, when you use final keyword at variable level, what will happen, guys? Already I think we discussed it, right? So we can declare variable at what? Member variable level we can declare, and member method level also we can declare, at member class level also we can declare, right? So now let me take one example here. Class I'm taking, okay, class something called parent only I'm taking, okay. So in the class I'm having final int x is equal to 10. Okay, final int x is equal to 10. Right? And as well as I have what? Public void, okay, public void display method, right? Public void what? Display method. So the display method what I'm writing, system.out.println of,
Yes.
okay, parent method. Fine. Parent method I'm writing. Okay. So now I'm closing this class. Now. So now I can apply final variable at what level, guys? Member level. Member variable level also I can use. At member method level also I can use. Member class level also I can use. Right? So that's what we have discussed, right? So now, first of all, we will see at member variable level. Right? So if you use member variable level, what will happen, guys? What will happen? I think already you guys know, right? So if you use at member variable level, this member variable x will become what? Constant. Right? So we cannot change the value of the x. Okay, in the entire class, okay, you cannot change. Not only entire class, you can, if you declare final means what? Constant. It will become what? Constant. So constant means what? Fixed. So we cannot change the value. If you try to change the value, then what we will get is we will get compiled error. So that's what already we know, right? Okay. Yes. So now, now, okay, at method level. Okay, so now where I'm creating at method level, public, okay, final void. At a method level also I can use, right? Final keyword. Yes. So if I use at method level, what will happen, you know? Okay, if you use a method level, so that method we cannot override in the child class, guys. Understand? So this is the what? Parent class, right? So now parent class, I'm creating what? On child. So now this is the parent class, right? Now class child I'm creating. So for this child, just I want to, okay, override public void display method. So here what? System.out.println. This is child method. Fine. So now class closed. Okay. So now here what I'm trying to say, extends parent. Right? So now if you see here, what I am trying to do here in the child class, I'm trying to override the display method. right? So in the parent class, what is the access modifier for display method, guys? Public and final. See, we are
Public.
using final keyword, right? So if you use final keyword means what? Okay, so we cannot override such type of methods in child classes. Clear, everyone? Okay.
Yes,
sir.
If you
Yes,
use-
sir.
if you use at method level, so such type of methods we cannot override in child classes, guys. Okay, so that's what we have to remember. Okay, so when you declare a member variable as a final, that will become what? Constant. So we cannot change the value of that member variable. Okay, now if you declare final method, okay, so we cannot override that method, okay, for in the child classes. Understand? Once you declare a method as a final, then we cannot override that particular method in child classes. Clear, everyone?
okay.
So if you try to do like this, okay, we will get what? Compile time error. Understand? So here what we are trying to do, we are trying to override final method in child class. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are getting what, guys? Compile time error. Okay. Now, final variable at class level. What is the other one, guys? Final variable at class level. We can use at final variable at class level also, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, class final parent. Okay. So I can declare like this, guys. Final variable I can use at class level also. Okay. If you use at class level, what will happen, you know? So
Yes,
we cannot create child for this parent, guys. Understand? We cannot create what? Child class for this parent class. The final classes, we cannot create child classes. Understand? The final classes, okay, they are not able to participate in what? Inheritance. Clear, everyone? So
Yeah.
if you declare final keyword at class level, such type of classes, okay, they are not I mean, they're not they're not able to participate in inheritance, guys. Yes, give me 1 minute. Okay, so now if you declare final variable at class level, so such type of classes, you cannot create child classes for such type of classes. Understand? Means what? Such type of classes cannot participate in inheritance. Clear, everyone? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now if you see this example, we will get what, guys? Compile time error. Okay. So, so let me write those points, then we will go. Okay. Practically also we'll see. Now, if we use final keyword at variable level, okay, at variable level, what will happen?
We can modify the variable.
That variable will become what?
Constant.
Constant.
Will become constant. Okay, so we cannot change the value of that variable. Okay, if we try to change, then we will get what? Compile time error. First point clear? No, second point.
Yes, sir.
We can use final keyword at method level 2. Right? Okay? No. We can use final keyword at method level 2. Such type of method, right? Such type of methods will not
Or
participate in overriding. Understand? We cannot override final methods in child classes. Clear?
yeah, okay.
Second point clear? Now, the third point. Now, we can use final keyword at class level 2. Okay. Now, such type of classes
Will not work.
cannot participate in inheritance. Understand? We cannot create child classes for final class. Clear?
Yeah.
Everyone?
Yes.
Now, class.
Parent.
Let me write directly parent. Okay. Class parent. So now, here, what I'm trying to say.
Display method.
Now, int
X
is equal to 10, right? Here what I'm declaring final. Fine. Along with that, what I'm trying to say, I'm creating public void the display method. Some method I'm creating. Okay. So here system dot out dot println. Okay, is what parent method, right? Now this is one class. Okay, fine. So now here what class child I'm creating. So in that class child, not child iterate. Okay, so here what I'm trying to say, I'm creating one more method. Let me copy this the same, right?
Yeah.
So here child method. Fine. Now
X.
out should be what? Some relation. Okay. Both should be in some relation, guys. So now, okay. So here what I'm trying to say, I'm creating one more class final demo. Okay. So in the first final demo, what I'm doing, I'm creating public static void main. Parts. Okay. So here what I'm trying to say, I'm creating object of anything is okay. Okay. Parent is equal to new child. Okay. P dot what? Trying to call display method. Fine. So now,
Yeah, fine.
yeah, final index is equal to 10, right? Okay. So here, what I'm trying to say, in display method, okay. So here, I'm trying to assign the value to this variable. Which variable? Final variable. Understand? So now, see, Control S. We need to save, right? Now here, let me take final demo class. I mean, file name also file and demo, right? Final demo of capital D capital, right? Fine. So now, let me under training, right? Java C, what guys? Final demo. Demo.java, right? Hello,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Java
Yes,
C,
sir.
final demo.java. Now see what is the compile time error. Cannot assign a value to final variable x, right? So that's what we discussed, right? So we
Yes.
cannot assign value to final variable. Okay, fine. So now, okay, let me comment this. Okay, the first one already we saw. Now we'll see the second one. So this is what public void display, right? So now I'm putting what final keyword. Okay, so now display method. So what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to override the same display method in child class. Okay, so now see, let me save it. If you compile this Java program, what it is saying? See, display method in child cannot override display in parent. Understand? The method which is there in parent, we cannot override that method in child class. Okay, overridden method is final. See, it is here what it is saying. Simply it is saying overridden method is final. Okay, so already we know, right? In the parent class method, this is method we used to call it as what? Overridden method. In the child class method, okay, we used to call it as what? Overriding method.
Overriding.
Okay, so so simply it is saying what? So the final method we cannot override in child. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm removing this one. We'll see the third one. So here what? Class final parent. Okay, class final parent. So now compile this program, Java C final demo. See what it is saying? Class final parent. Oh, after that, I think we should not take final, right? Final class. Okay. First, we have to take final. This is the syntax, right? After class, what we have to take? Class name, right? So now, final class parent. Clear? So now, I'm compiling. See, what is the compile time error it is saying? Cannot inherit from final parent class child extends parent. Clear? See, it is a cannot inherit from final parent class child extends parent. So we cannot inherit, okay, I mean we cannot create child classes for final class. Okay. Final classes cannot participate in inheritance. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Sir.
now here, let me take final void. Okay. This is the example. Let me copy here. Fine. Right. So now we will go for next topics. Hope you people understand on final. Okay. Hope you people clear on final keyword, guys. So now we will go for what? Next level. Okay. What is the next level? What is the next role? Okay. Static keyword. Overriding with respect to static Okay, static modifier. We will see the next one. Fine. Now, okay. So, okay. Now, okay. Shall we take directly example? Then we will copy, or
Yes, sir.
directly we will go for example. Then we will. Okay. Yeah. So now, here I'm taking one more class, guys. Or else let me copy this one. Okay. Unless we are wasting time, right? Directly we will copy here. We will change. So here what I'm taking. Class I'm taking Java language. So, fine. See, class parent. I'm removing all these things, and even fine with even also I'm removing. Class extends parent. Static demo is the class. Fine. So now see what I'm trying to say here. For static keyword. Okay, overriding with respect to the static modifier. Okay, fine. So now I'm trying to override. See, this is in parent class. I'm taking what, guys? One static method. Which method it is? Static method. Public static void display method. Okay. Now I'm trying to override the static method into whom? In child class.
Yeah.
Understand? I'm trying to override in child class. Clear? Okay. So from static to non-static. See here in child class, what is my display method? Non-static.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
Okay. Here what I'm trying to say, in parent class, I have created what? Static method. In child class, I'm trying to override that static method as a non-static. Static to non-static. Okay. So static to non-static. Okay. So we cannot override static method as a non-static method, guys. Understand? So static means what, guys? At class level, right? Static keyword means at what level? Class level. Remember, guys, already we discussed it, right? When the static variables will be created and everything. Okay. Don't worry. After this abstract process and what do you call interfaces, we will see the static flow and instance flow, parent and child classes. Okay. So that time you will get more clarity on static and what do you call instance. Fine. So here what at class static means what? At class level. Okay. Here display method. This is what instance. Instance meant at what level? Object level. Understand? Instance methods are at what level, guys?
Object level.
Object level.
At what level? Class level. So how can you override static to instance? Understand? So we cannot override. Okay. So now static variables we cannot override to child classes. Clear, everyone?
Yeah.
This static
Yeah.
means what? This parent class level we created one class. Understand? Now, how can you override at class level method to object level method? We cannot override. Understand? So this is separate and this is separate. How can you call static methods, guys? For static methods, can we use object reference? No,
No.
right? Directly we can use class name.
Class name.
But instance method, how can we call? Definitely we should have what? Object.
Object.
Okay. So now, how can you override from static to non-static? Then we cannot override. Clear, everyone? This is different and this is different. Hello.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
see now, I'm trying to execute this one. So now here what? Static demo. Static demo. here Java C static demo dot
Demo dot.
Java. See what it is saying? See, compile time error. Display method in child cannot override display method in parent. Public void display. Overridden method is static. Understand? Clear, right?
Yes. Yeah, clear.
Hey boss, you cannot override static method. So that's what it is saying, guys. So hope you people understand, right? Now, from static to non-static also we cannot override. Now, this is what instance method, non-static to static now. What I'm trying to do, non-static to static. Okay. So now non-static to static also, okay, we cannot override, guys. Okay, the same problem right here also. Okay, that is instance level method. It is what? Static level method. So how can you make instance level method to static level method, guys, in child class? We cannot override. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
So
Yes,
now,
sir.
let me see here. Static demo. See what is the error message it is saying? Display method in child cannot override display in parent. Public static void display. Overriding method is static. See, it is saying overriding method is static. Here, overridden method is static. So that's what I told you, right? In parent class
Yes,
method,
sir.
we used to call it as what? Overridden method.
Overridden.
In child class method, we used to call it as what?
Overriding.
Overriding method.
Overriding.
Understand? So overriding method is static. Okay? Hope you people clear on this. Okay, now I'm writing here few points. Tell me what are the points, guys? What are the points we have to see here? Now we cannot override. We cannot override a static method as a non-static method, right? Similarly, we cannot override, okay, but override non-static method as a static method. Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Yes.
If we trying to do, if we trying to override, okay, we will get what? Below compile time error. What is the compile time error? Let me copy now then. The error message, right? So now, okay, fine. Vice versa, guys. Okay, in the same method, same. Hope you people clear on this. Okay, now we'll go for next one. Okay, this is very important, guys. Okay, in interview, people will ask you definitely. So here, this is what static method. Understand? So this is also what in child class also what static method. Understand? In child class also what, guys? Static method. Okay. Now in static demo, here I'm taking parent page equal to new parent and p dot display method. Okay. So now here, that is one scenario. The another scenario here, what I'm taking child, creating object for child, and after that, C, right? C dot display method. Fine. And I'm taking one more scenario here. What is the other scenario? You know, parent P1 is equal to new child. Okay, now P1 dot display method I'm calling. Understand? You tell me what is the output in the first scenario and second scenario and third scenario. See here, I'm taking one class called parent. Here I have declared one method called display. Fine. So now in the child class also I have taken and extends parent class. I'm trying to override the same method in child class. Okay. Now here class static demo. Here I'm taking main method and creating parent p is equal to new parent of p dot display and the same thing. You tell me what is the answer for this first one, guys? Tell me, guys.
Parent method.
Huh?
Parent method.
Tell me, guys.
Parent method.
Parent method.
Parent method.
Tell me what is the next case? We have three
Child.
cases, right?
Child
Parent
method.
method, child method.
Child.
Parent method, child method.
What is the next case? The third case then?
Compile time error.
Parent.
Sample them.
Third one, compile time error. Okay.
Okay. See here, now you tell me, it's a overriding. These both methods are said to be overriding methods or not? See here, public void static display. Here also public static
Yes,
void
sir.
display.
Overriding method.
Okay. So here, that's what, guys. Okay. Here, most of the people are saying, so this is the overriding. Okay. But here, this is not at all overriding, guys. It is called method hiding. Okay. The static modifiers, okay, cannot participate in overriding. So that's what you have to remember. Understand? So here,
Yes, sir.
overriding means what? Overriding methods, how can we call, guys? By using object reference only, right? Hello. How can we call overriding methods? By using object reference only, right? So now, if I use here by using you see here child class. If I use by using object reference of child class, I'm calling what? Display method. Right? So always overriding method should be what type of methods, guys? It should be instance methods. Clear?
Yes.
What I'm trying to say, please listen carefully. Okay. So overriding methods. Now, in parent class, we have one method definition, right? In child class, I want to reuse the functionality of the parent class, right? So that's what we will go for what? Extends, right? So now, if I am satisfied with parent class method, in child class, directly I can use that method. Okay, if I'm not at all satisfied with that method implementation, which is there in parent class, then I can override that particular method and I will provide my own implementation in child class. Right? So now, here, if I create an object of that child class, how can I call that method now? How can I call that method now? The override method by using by creating object of that child class, by using that object reference only, I can call that method. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So even if you see here also, parent P1 is equal to new child. Here also by creating object reference, after creating object reference only, by using that object reference, I can call what? That override method. So here what? To call override method, what we are using, guys? Object reference. Right? So Which type of methods we can call by using object reference?
Instance.
Instance methods, right? So now these are what, guys? Static methods. This one also static method, and this one also static method. Okay, so static methods, that's what static methods not participated in overriding. Understand? Okay, static methods are not participated in overriding, guys. Okay, so overriding means what? It's completely relating to object, not class level. Okay, overriding concept is completely related to who? Object level,
Object.
not class level. So that's what static methods are not participated in overriding. Here, most of the people are what they used to say. So this is what static method, and this one also static method. So now these two methods are overriding methods. Understand? So like that, people will think. So what they will say here, what answer is parent method. Okay, here answer is child. Okay, here answer is what people will say child. Understand? Because if it is a overriding, here what would be the output here? Child only, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but this is wrong, guys. Okay, so this is not method overloading. It seems to be it is not method overriding. It seems to be overriding, but it is not a method overriding, guys. It is called method hiding. Understand what it is? Method hiding. Can you hear me, everyone? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So this is what, guys? Method hiding, guys. We are hiding one particular method into, okay, by using another method. Okay, don't worry, we'll explain clearly. So now, see, if you see the answer, let me execute this one. What is the answer, you know? Here parent, here child, here what is the answer, you know? Parent, guys. Okay, your answer will be parent. Okay, now let me execute, then we'll discuss. This is very, very important, guys. So this is static demo, right? Now let me take method hiding demo. Okay, method hiding demo. Fine. So now control is, let me save it. Save as. Oh, I mean, I think let me rename it. This is what, guys? Static demo, right? Layer one. Static demo. I think we changed everything, right? Control Z. Fine, leave it. So now let me save this one as a method hiding. Okay, method hiding. Method hiding demo. Let me keep. What else? Method hiding. Okay, so now let me execute Java say
Method hiding.
method hiding, right?
Method hiding.
Method hiding dot Java.
.java.
See what it is saying. Public void static display. Identifier expected. Something we missed, guys. What we missed is here. Class parent, public void static display. Class child extends parent.
Sir, static first పెట్టి void తర్వాత పెట్టాలి. Is there any order like that?
Public static void, it's okay, right?
First line number 5.
Huh?
Line number 5, sir.
Okay, yeah. Yes. Before return type, we need to keep what? Characters modified. Compilation successfully, right?
Yes.
Okay, compilation successfully. Now, Java, what is that? Method hiding demo, right? Class name. Which class the main method is there? Method
Hiding
hiding
demo.
demo, right?
Hiding.
No, method hiding demo. See, what is the answer here? Parent method, child method, parent method. Understand? Parent method, child method, parent method. Right? If it is a overriding, then what would be the answer here? What would be the output here? It should be child. Clear or not? So that's what, right, we discussed yesterday. Here,
Yes.
parent P is equal to new parent. P dot display method. What is the reference variable here? P. What is the type of this reference variable? Parent.
Parent.
Right? So now parent. It will go and verify, okay, in parent class, do we have display method or not? We have display method, right? Now, it won't execute that display method. What it will do? It will check the dynamic object type. What is the dynamic object type? Same as parent. Parent type only. Then this parent class display method will execute. Okay. Now, in the second scenario, what it is? Child type. It will go and verify. Okay. In the child type, do we have any display method? We have display method in child class also, right? And after that, it won't execute that method. What it will see? It will go and verify in dynamic object, right? Hello.
Yes.
Come on, guys. If it is a overriding, I'm saying. Okay. If it is a overriding, I'm talking, guys. Okay. In
Yes,
child
sir.
class, so it will verify that what is the dynamic object of this. What is the dynamic object type again? Child. Then in child class display method will execute. Now, come on. Now in the third session. Now parent P1 is equal to new child. Now P1. What is the type of P1 here? Parent. Right. So in parent type, do we have any display method?
Yes.
Yes, we have a display method, but it won't execute immediately the display method. So what it will do? It will check what is the dynamic object of this one. What is the dynamic object here?
Child.
No, child type. So what type it is? Child type. Now in child type, do we have any display method or not? Like that it will verify. Do we have any display method in child type?
Yes.
We have a display method. Then this method will execute. So what is the output here? Child method. But here it is not, I mean the output it is not like that, right? What we are seeing output now? Parent.
Parent method.
Understand? Parent. So what does it mean here? It is not a overriding. Understand? If it is a overriding, then here what is the output? Child method. But here what is the output we are seeing? Parent method. Okay, here guys. Let me keep it. Okay. So what is output we are getting here? Parent method, not child method. If it is a overriding, it should be what, guys? Child method as output. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
So by saying this, practically, this is not at all overriding. Understand? This is called method hiding. Okay. In the method hiding, always the method resolution will be taken care by compiler based on reference type. Clear? Same as overloading, guys. So what is the overloading concept? In the overloading, how the method resolution will be taken care, will be performed. In the overloading also, the method resolution will be taken care by whom? Compiler, based on reference type. Okay, in the overriding, the method resolution will be taken care by whom? JVM, based on runtime object type. Clear? If it is a overriding, then the method resolution will be taken care by JVM and based on what? Runtime object. But this is not a overriding, right? This is what? Method hiding. Okay, it seems to be overriding, but it is not a overriding, guys. It is what, guys? Method hiding. In the method hiding, always the method resolution will be taken care by whom? Compiler
Based on which?
based on reference type. Understand? Now, see here,
Sure.
parent p is equal to new parent p dot display method, right? Now, what is the reference variable of display method here? P. Now, what is the reference type of p? Parent class. Now, in parent class, it will go and verify, do we have any display method or not?
Yeah.
Okay, do we have display method? Yes, we have a display method. Now, compiler, what it will do, this is overriding, method hiding, right? Method hiding
Yeah.
means what? Compiler will, method resolution will be taken care by whom? Compiler, based on what, guys? Reference type, right? So, what is the reference type here? Parent. Now, in parent class, display method will execute. So, that's what, here what we will get? Parent. Parent method is output. Here, the first one, first scenario, parent method. Clear?
Okay.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now,
Yes,
if you
sir.
see the second one,
Sir.
child c is equal to new child, c dot display method. So now we are calling display method on what? Reference variable called c. Now it will go and verify what is the reference type of this c. What is the reference type of this c variable? Child. So now in child, it will go and verify, do we have display method or not? Where? In child type. Child type means what? Class, in child class. Class called child. Okay. Here, do we have display method?
Yeah.
Yes, we have display method. Now, this display method will execute. Understand?
Okay.
So now, what is the output here? Child method.
Child method.
Can you see now? Child method is the output. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, the third scenario. See here, parent p1 is equal to new child, p1 dot display method. What is the reference variable of this one? By using which reference variable we are calling display method here? P1, right?
P1.
So, what is the parent? What is the reference? I mean, what do you reference type of this p1? Parent.
Parent.
Right? Now, in parent class, do we have this display method or not? Like that, it will go and verify. So, do we have display method in parent class?
Yes.
Yes, we have. So this method now will execute. So that's what here what we are getting, parent method. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Why in method hiding, the method resolution will be taken care by whom? Java compiler based on reference type, not based on runtime object. Clear? This
Yes,
is
sir.
very important, guys. Definitely people will ask you. Okay. Most of the interviewers, even I also faced the same question when I'm go to, I think at that time I'm having around 5 years or 6 years experience, it seems to be. So that time they asked me the same question. Okay. This is called what, guys? Method hiding. Okay. So not method overriding. It seems to be overriding, but it is not a method overriding. You have to remember the static methods cannot be participated in overriding. Okay. Clear, everyone? Any question here?
No,
Hello.
sir. No,
Right?
sir.
Oh, let me copy this. No. Method hiding. This is what, guys? Method hiding, not overriding. Okay. This is the example. Method hiding example. See here. What happened, you know? See. Now. So what will happen, you know? See. Okay, here. So method overriding means what, guys? Method overriding means what, guys? Okay. So the parent class method, okay, directly will override whom? Child class, right? So see, when you use extends means what will happen first? What will happen, guys? When you use extends means what will happen first?
The parent
all
class
the
method.
functionalities which are available in parent class by default inherited to whom? Child class.
Child
Right? So now, what are the functionalities we have in parent class in this example? Only display method, right? Now,
method.
this display method will come to here where in the child class. Not this method, guys. Actually, overriding concept I'm explaining. Okay, this is static. Now this is
Yes,
not
sir.
overriding. This is what? Method
Method.
hiding. Okay. So usually in overriding I'm explaining. Hello, clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
is not the correct example here to explain. Okay, but this is not here. See, I think no, here also final. I hope you people understand, right? So this is not overriding, but
Yes.
I'm explaining if it is not a static method, guys. If it is not a static method, let's suppose public void display method. This is also public void display method. Now these two methods we can say overriding methods, right?
Yes. Yes.
Now in that case, if you use extends keyword means what will happen? This display method, okay, by default available to whom? Child.
Child.
Right?
Yeah.
And use extends keyword. So now, if you are not satisfied with, okay, the display method what we have in parent class, what we are doing? We are overriding that method. Understand? We are overriding that method with our own method. So that is called overriding, right?
Yes.
So now here what will happen? We completely removed that parent class method. On top of that, what we have, what we are doing, we are creating our own method. Clear? That is what overriding. Hello,
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
clear everyone? Clear,
Yes, sir.
right? So that is what, guys, overriding.
Overriding.
Okay. Now the parent class method will not be there. I mean the child class. We completely removed that, and child class method now, okay, we created in child class. So that's what will happen if you create by using child class object reference, you will get what? Child class method. Parent class method also available, right?
Yes.
When you use extends. So why we are getting child class implementation as an output here? Because we completely removed that parent class method and we are overriding our own method. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is what, guys, overriding. Okay, now in the method hiding means what will happen, you know? Method hiding means, so just we are hiding the method, that's it. We are not removing that method. Clear everyone? We
Yeah.
just hiding that method. Okay, let me explain in this way, guys. So now I have a board. Okay, I have a board, guys. So in the blackboard, I'm writing by using marker, I'm writing something. Okay. After some time, if I explain that particular topic, after some time, what I have to do? I will erase that one. Right?
Yeah.
Hello. Right? I will erase, right? So if
Yes.
I erase means what? I will remove the previous topic, and now I'm trying to explain what? New topic. I mean, it's what overriding.
Yeah.
Understand? Overriding. Now, method hiding means what? So instead of blackboard, I'm explaining in some chart, guys. Chart. We have chart, right? I pinned
Yeah.
that particular chart in the blackboard and I'm explaining the first topic. Okay? The first topic is over. Okay. Now, I want to explain what? Second topic. Right? Now, I cannot go and erase the topic which I explained in chart, right?
Yes.
Now, what I have to do? I have taken a new chart and I have attached. I attached the same new chart into that particular board. Right. Now, what I am doing? I'm hiding the old chart by using new chart. Right.
Yes.
So now in the new chart, now I am explaining the other topic. Clear, everyone? This is what, guys? Method hiding. We are not completely removing what? The old one, old chart. Right?
Yeah.
If you want old chart, what I have to do? If I remove the new chart, the pin, then old chart automatically it will be available. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah. Right.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
can you getting what I'm
Yes,
saying
sir.
here? So this is what method hiding. Here hiding the chart. The old chart we are hiding by using what? New chart. Right? Here we are not removing. Clear,
Yes,
everyone? So you can
Yes,
also
sir.
apply the same thing in this, guys. Okay. So this is what method hiding. Clear, everyone?
Yes. Yeah. Clear.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now, Okay. No. So I think hope you people understood what is the method hiding. Okay. Now let me add the points here. Then we will close, guys. People will ask you, okay, boss, you are saying this is called method hiding. That's fine. Then what is the difference between method overriding and method hiding? Understand? So always interview, how it will happen, you know. So when interview asks some question, guys, if you give some proper answer for that, on top of that answer only, again one more question will come. Understand? So like that only interview will happen, guys. Fine. So now, okay. Now here, see. Now, so now let me draw here where it is here, right? So this is what, guys? Method hiding. Okay. This is what, guys? Method hiding. Right. This is what? Method hiding, not method overriding. Okay. This is what called method hiding, guys. Okay. Now, so let me write few points here. Okay. So then it seems to be overriding concept is applicable for static method, but it is not overriding, it is method hiding, right? So no, let me write the point also. In the above example, okay, it seems to be method overriding. Okay, method overriding concept is applicable for static methods. Okay, but it is not method overriding. Okay, it is not method overriding. It is what, guys? It is method hiding. Method hiding. Okay, method hiding. Now, so so what is the difference between method overriding and method hiding? Okay, understand? So now, what is the difference between method hiding and method overriding? Okay, now, so now overriding. People will ask you, guys. Okay, so that's what I'm writing here. Overriding. And here what? Method hiding. Method hiding. Okay, method overriding and method hiding. Now tell me, guys, what are the rules, guys? The first one. Okay, so now both parent and child class method should be what? Non-static. Understand? Here we are calling what? Differences, right? Method overriding means what will happen? Both parent and child, okay, class methods should be what? Non-static. Come on, guys, everyone. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so method overriding means what? Definitely both parent class method and child class method should be non-static. Only instance method can participate in method overriding, right? So
Yes,
that's
sir.
what we discussed, right? Now,
Yes.
now here what? Here we can say both
Parenting.
both parent and child class methods should be what, guys?
Static.
Static. That is what method hiding. Okay. Then only we can say these two methods are in method hiding. Clear? The first point, everyone. So now the second one. So what is the second point, guys? Okay. So here in overriding the method resolution, right? Yeah. The method resolution always taken care by whom? Taken care by JVM based on what?
Runtime.
Clear, everyone? Okay. But here, let me copy the same point here.
Yes, sir.
Writing. No. The method resolution always taken care by compiler. Okay. Based on what? Reference type.
Reference.
Reference type. Clear, everyone? The second
Yes, sir.
point
Yes,
also?
sir. Yes, sir.
No, the third point. Okay. So now, so this is what we used to call it as what, guys? Overriding we used to call it as what? Runtime polymorphism, right? It is considered overriding, right? Overriding considered as what, guys? Runtime polymorphism.
Polymorphism.
Okay. Or what? Dynamic polymorphism. Or late binding, right? Late binding. So now this one is what? Same one I can copy and replace here. Tell me here. It is considered as what? Compile time?
Compile time.
Compile time polymorphism. Okay. Or static polymorphism. Or
Early binding.
early binding. Okay. Early binding. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
sir.
So these are the differences, guys. Okay. If anyone asks, then what is the difference between method overriding and method hiding means? We have to explain these 3 points. Clear, everyone? So these are the points we discussed, right? So the same points I have written. Okay. You no need to explain any bookish definitions. Okay. So just you have to explain, okay, how these are working. The same way you have to explain, guys. If you explain bookish definitions means interviewer will think this guy does not have any experience. He has only bookish knowledge. Clear, everyone? No.
Yes, sir.
So now, see in the above example, if you remove the static keyword, what will happen, guys? The above example, in this method hiding example, if I remove the static keyword in the parent class static method also, in the parent class method also, if I remove the static keyword, in the child class method also,
Overriding.
what these methods will become? Overriding methods, right? In the overriding methods, what will be the answer here? Parent, child,
Child.
right? Parent, child. Now let me arrange this one. In the method hiding, what will be the output here? Parent, right? Not child. If you remove the static keyword, then what would be the output here? Parent, child, and child. Okay. If you remove static means what will happen? These two methods will become what? Overriding methods.
Yes.
Okay, in the overriding methods, the method resolution will be taken care by whom? JVM based on what? Runtime object. So that time, what would be the output here? Parent, child. Clear?
Yes. Yeah, clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. No. Okay. So now we will go for next topic. . So what is the next topic? Okay. So now here. Yeah, I think I can drag, right? No. So overriding, okay, overriding with respect to where arg method, guys. Where arg method. Overriding with respect to our where arg methods. So can we override where arg method or not? Okay. So that is the point here. Now, here, right? See. No. Let me see the example, then we will write. Okay. Practically, we will see first. Then after that, we will write example. Is it fine? No.
Fine.
Now, here what? I'm taking the same. Let me copy here. So why we need to create one more class? Waste of time, right? So directly I'm copying here the same class, language Java. So now, see here, parent class we have, right? In the parent class, I'm creating what? And display method. Okay. Here I'm taking enter. This is what, guys? This is what?
Argument type of method.
Where are method?
This is what? Where arg method.
Where are
Already we discussed, right? Where arg method. I think
Yes.
2 sessions. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
We
Yes,
spent
sir.
almost around 2-3 hours on that. This where arg method. 2 sessions, I think. Okay. No. So this is what, guys? Where arg method. Right. In the child class, parent class, I have display method. So here I'm taking what? Okay. Simply enter X. Okay. So this is what? Child
Huh?
method. Okay. Child
Purila.
normal method. Okay. This is where arg method. This is what? Child normal method. This is what? This is where arg method or not normal method? This is normal method, right? In the child class. Let me remove the static case. Fine. No. Okay. Fine. So now it's the same. We're creating method hiding, right? So where arg demo. Now where arg demo, where arg override demo. Fine. So now in this class, what I'm trying to say, I'm creating object of parent p is equal to new parent. Okay. And I'm creating p1 dot display of, here I'm passing 10. Okay. And here I'm creating child c is equal to new child and c dot display of, okay. Here also I'm passing what? Some same value, 10 value only. Okay. And here p1 is equal to new child, p1 dot display of 10. Understand?
Yeah.
Everyone. Clear or not?
Yeah, clear.
Now you tell me which method is executing. First of all, you tell me. So now in the parent class, I have where arg method. In the child class also, I have a display method. Here also display method. Here also display method. Now you tell me these two methods are overriding methods.
No.
Hello.
No.
No, sir.
These two are overriding methods.
No, sir.
No.
So what is the rule of overriding method?
Argument type also should be same.
Argument types also.
Same method.
Same
type,
argument.
method name.
Not able to hear you guys. Let me increase volume of me. Yeah, I'm having full volume. I don't know. Problem with my mic, it seems. Tell me, guys.
Method name also same. Parameter also.
Here, see, these two methods are not overriding methods. So these two methods are what methods, guys, now? If these are not overriding methods, these two methods are what?
Overloading methods.
Overloading methods. That's right, Vani. Okay. So here what? Display. See, what is the overriding method rules, guys? The methods should be same. Okay. Even if you consider arguments also what should be same. Right? So the such type of methods we use it to call it as what? Overriding methods in Java, right? But here method name also same, fine. But if you see arguments, this is what? Int I, vararg method. Vararg method means what? It will expect many
More
arguments, right? It is what? Vararg method means what? Many values it can access, it can hold. But here, how many values it can hold? Only
Single.
one value only it can hold. So here what? Many means what? Many int types. Here what? Only one int type. So here, if you see the arguments types, definitely you can see there is a difference, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Okay, so different arguments. So if the method is same, okay, and different arguments means, so such type of methods, what? How can we say such type of methods are called what? Overloaded
Overloading.
methods,
Overloading.
right? Such type of methods are what? Overloaded methods, right? That's what we discussed, right? So now see here, extends parent. Extends parent means what will happen? All the functionalities which are available in parent class by default inherited to child class. Now this method also will be available to whom? Child class. Now in the child class, two methods we have. One is normal method, one is vararg method. Okay, method name is same, but different argument types. So these such type of methods are we used to call it as what? Overloaded methods, right? In the overloaded methods, the method resolution always taken care by whom?
Compiler.
Java compiler. Based on what? Reference type. So now tell me the output now. Here, what is the output then?
Parent.
Parent, right? Here what? Parent
Parent.
vararg method. Here what is the output?
Child.
Child normal method,
Normal method.
right? Here what is the output then?
Parent.
And
Parent vararg method.
Vararg.
Vararg method.
Okay.
Yes.
Now let me compile this one. Vararg override demo, right? Override demo. Okay. Now see Java C. Vararg
Override demo.
override demo.
That's it.
Comparison successful, right? Now Java vararg
Override demo.
override demo. See now, parent vararg method, child normal method, parent vararg method. So that's what already we also discussed, right? See the outputs, the same output we see now.
Yes.
Okay. So now this is what, guys, by seeing this, you have to remember what? Okay. The vararg methods, okay, not participated in what? Overriding. Understand? It will become what, guys? Overloading, not overriding. Okay. Now let me copy this here. Let me write example first. Any question, guys, here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Oh. Now, overriding with respect to variables, guys. Okay, last topic. So now, what is the other one? Overriding with respect to variables. As of now, we see what, guys? Method level we see, right? Now we have to see now what? Variable level. Okay, so here we cannot override the vararg method with normal method. If we are trying to override, it will become what? Overloading, but not overriding. I think we did not write that point, right? Let me write here, okay? I'm writing here, guys. The overriding, okay? So what is the overriding? Tell me. We cannot override vararg method with, okay, we cannot override vararg method with what?
Normal method.
Normal method. Okay. Now, if we are trying to override, okay, it will become what?
Overloading.
Overloading.
Overloading. Okay, it will become overloading, but not what? Overriding. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
No. We can override, okay, a vararg method with another vararg method only. Clear? We can override vararg method with another vararg method. Okay. So here in the child class, if you declare the same vararg method, int dot x, then these two methods are what? Will become overriding methods.
Overriding.
Okay. Arguments also same, right? So that time what? It will become what? Overriding methods. Hello. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yeah. So now let me go with right. So now the next topic, overriding with respect to variables, guys. Okay. So now first we will see practical example, then we will discuss. We will start discussion. Okay. Now is this Surya? Now see here. Here I'm taking what? Class. Okay. Now I'm creating one class called parent. The parent class. Why parent node here? Fine. So now in the parent. Okay. So in parent, what I'm trying to say, I'm creating one variable. Let's suppose int a equals to 1 I'm typing. Fine. So now this is what, guys? Class parent. Okay. Now I'm taking one more class called child. Okay. So in this class, okay. Now I'm taking one more variable. Here, which variable I'm taking? Int. Okay. The int a equals to 222 I'm taking now. Okay. Now, so now these two classes extends in relation, extends parent. Clear? Understand,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Everyone? No. Now I created one more class called variables, right? Variables demo, variables where override demo. Fine.
Yep.
Where override demo. Fine. So now in this class, what I'm trying to say, I'm creating public static void main. Okay. String args. Okay, what I'm doing? Parent is equal to new parent. Right? Parent is
Yeah.
equal to new parent. Now here I'm trying to print system.out.println of system.out.println of p dot okay p dot a. Okay, p dot a. Now I'm creating. Let me copy this one. This is what first scenario, guys. This is what second scenario. This is what third scenario. So in the second scenario, I'm using what? Child. Here what? New child.
See.
System.out.println of C dot X, C dot A, right?
Yeah.
Here parent P is equal to new child. Here P1, right? P1 dot A. Clear?
Exactly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here I'm talking about what now?
Variable.
Variables.
Overriding.
Okay. Overriding with variables. Now, see. Can you see my class, everyone?
Yes.
Understand? Here,
Yes,
what in
sir.
parent class I created one variable, and child class also I created one more variable. And in the one more class I have taken in the main method, just I'm creating object of parent and I'm trying to access A, and creating child object by using child class, and I'm trying to access of A. And here parent P1 is equal to new child. By using parent class reference variable, we can hold child class object, right? So that's what, by using that parent reference, I'm trying to access A. You tell me what is the output here. Understand?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is the output now. Here, tell me.
111, sir.
Triple one.
111. Here, tell me.
222.
222.
Hmm?
222, sir.
222, sir.
Here, tell me.
222.
222.
222. Right? Okay. Now, let me save. I will show you in front of you. So this is what, guys? Where
Override demo.
override demo. Right? Where override demo. Now, okay. See, here the output will be 111, 222, 111, guys. Okay. I will show you. I will explain you. See, compilation successful. Right? Now, Java.
Where are killers, sir?
Sorry.
Override.
Fine. Java C. And tell me what it is.
Where
override.
override.
Demo.
Override. Okay. Java C file name dot Java. Compilation done? No.
Yes.
Java where
Override demo.
override demo. Right? You know, what is the output here? 111, 222, 111. Why we are getting this output here?
Override.
Huh? It should be 222, right? So why
Yes,
all
sir.
of a sudden we are getting this kind of output now? Tell me. So, okay. Who told you the overriding concept is applicable for variables, guys? Understand?
Okay.
Okay. Who told you the overriding concept is applicable for variables, guys? Okay. So overriding concept is applicable only for methods, but not variables. Clear? Let me repeat one more time. So overriding concept is applicable only for methods, but not for variables. Okay. So here variable resolution always takes care by whom? Compiler, based on reference type, irrespective of whether the variable are static or not. Understand, guys? See here what? Which type of variables I am taking? Instance variable.
Instant
If you want, you can take static variable also. Understand? So variables means what? It will not participate in overriding. Okay. Overriding concept is applicable only for methods, but not for variables. So variable resolution always taken care by whom? Compiler, based on reference type, irrespective of whether the variables are instance variables or static variables. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, see. Okay. So I think no need to explain right here. So reference type means you understood, right? Why we are getting 111, why we are getting 222, and why we are getting 222. Sorry, here 111. Right?
Yes. Okay.
Reference type. Based on reference type. What is the reference type here? Parent. In the parent, what is the A variable? 111. Right? That's what here we are getting 111. Now child C is equal to new child. We are trying to access what? C dot A. What is the reference variable here? C. What is the type of this reference type? Child. In child, do we have a variable called a? Yes, we have. So what is the value? 222. Understand?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Your parent P1 is equal to new child. P1. What is the type of this P1? Parent. In parent, do we have variable called a? Yes, we have. What is the value? 111. That's what 111. Okay. Your variable resolution always taken care by whom? Compiler. Based on reference type. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Now, let me copy this one. Paste here. See how many loops we have in overriding, how many insights we have in overriding. So did you learn like this, guys?
No.
No, sir.
I think most of the people are learned already Java, right?
Yes.
See, so what are the concepts we learn here? Okay. I'm keeping in mind, see, development, okay, keeping in my mind. So that's what I'm explaining all these things, guys. I'm not explaining you to just sake of interview. I think hope you people understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If you learn like this, why you will not get job, guys? Job anyway you will get. Okay. If you interview or ask anything, you are in the position to tell, right? So if you interview, go and ask any in-depth questions also. You are in the position to tell answers if you learn in this way. So here we are not learning at top level, right? We are learning why and internal things also we are learning. Okay. So even not only for interview, anyway you will get job. But here what this knowledge definitely will helpful for you guys what? While development.
Development.
Yeah. In the project. In the time you are working right in the project, that time definitely it will helpful for you guys. No. So now let me write few points here. What are the points? You guys has to tell. See, once we completed the topic, right? So practically also we discussed, right? So now you have to tell points, guys, here. See here, I'm not writing, I'm not telling any bookish definitions, right?
Yes.
So just we are explaining and we are seeing the practical things. On top of that, we are writing some comments based on the, program what we have executed. Tell me now, what is the first point here? Overriding
Applicable for methods.
concept is applicable only for methods,
Not for the variables.
but
Not
not
for
for
the
variables. That is the first point we have to remember. Okay. Interview loss, we have to tell this one. No. The second one. Variable. Okay. Variable resolution.
Always take
Variable resolution always takes care by whom? Java compiler. Based on
reference.
reference type. Okay. Reference. Okay. Based on reference type, irrespective of guys, irrespective of, okay, instance and static variables. Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. No. Okay. See, at the final point, guys. Okay. So now, so we closed. Okay. Even where methodology, with respect to of variables also overriding is completed. So final note, what we have to remember here. Okay. Overloading and overriding. In overloading means what? We have to check only method names, guys. Okay. Method names must be same, right? And
Yes.
argument types what must be different. So remaining things not required to check. Right? Overloading means what we have to check first of all, we have to check method names are same or not. Okay, if method names are same, then argument types. So do we have different argument types or not? So that's what we have to verify, right? If both are there, then we can call these methods are what? Overloading methods. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes.
But when coming to overriding, okay, coming to overriding, we have to check everything, guys. Like method names also should match, and argument types also should match, even return types also, right? Return
Yeah,
types also we have to verify. Am I right or wrong? Overriding. Return types also should be same, but it's applicable up to 1.4. But from 1.5 version onwards, what? Covariant return types also will be allowed. Covariant means what? In the child class, return type should be same as parent class method return type, or else it's child.
Object type.
Or else it's child. Okay, child type. So that is what covariant return type. And at the time of overriding, we have to concentrate what? Remaining lot of things, guys. Access modifier level also we have to look, right? Access modifier level, right? In the overriding method, the access modifier should be, the scope should be increased. Okay, it should not be decreased. You can take same scope, that is also fine. If you want, you can increase the scope of access modifier, but you should not decrease the scope of access modifier, right?
Yes.
And one more thing. So while overriding, we have to think about, okay, we have to more taken care about, okay, what do you call exception throwing, guys?
Yeah.
Right, in child class, when the overriding method, okay, so if you throw any exception, okay, in the parent class, we have to throw the what? Same kind of exception, or else
Or it's experiment.
its parent.
Correct.
Okay, that's what also you have to remember.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear.
See,